This guy transcends football for me. Ronaldinho, it's what he does and how he moves football fans.
This guy just brought us emotion.
It's Ronaldinho R10.
Ronaldinho was something different. For me, something, special, magic.
One player in the world, the most skillful player in the world, there are two. Ronaldinho and Cagta, were just naturally the most skillful player because the things he does on a football field, which you do in the playground, which you do in training, you're not supposed to do in matches. He does it better than Messi, Ronaldo, anyone in terms of pure skill.
Ronaldinho's legacy, is the reason why he's the greatest. Because them man started making adverts because of Ronaldinho. They're making video games because of Ronaldinho. Ronaldinho's every footballer's favorite footballer, bro.
Well, I mean, just unbelievable. Just genuinely, as Ali says, a generational player, a player who was different to anyone else, who had skills that nobody else had.
If you take my generation, we're all gonna say Ronaldinho was favorite. Okay, his prime was maybe 2, 3, 4 years, but what he bring on the pitch, thank you. And this guy just brought us emotion.
Passing the ball with back. Have you ever seen that before, Ronaldinho? Ronaldinho was something different. For me, something, special, magic. The way that he played football, that all the things that he could do on the field with a smile on the face. Ronaldinho, he played probably 2, 3 years in the top level, but that 2, 3 years was unstoppable.
He's the only player that I've seen in history that he could transform by himself 2 clubs. He did it in Paris, he transformed it. He went to Barcelona, and one of the worst moments, he transformed it. He had an aura, an energy, a smile on his face that it was impossible to be next to him and be in a bad mood.
He is as strong as Essien. He's built differently. He blew my mind playing against him because he had everything.
Just transfixed every time he played around that time and beyond that. When he was at Barcelona in that period, he was just a joke of a footballer. For 3 years, the best player on the planet. Played with a smile on his face. He'd done things on the football pitch that no one even contemplated trying. Players like Messi and that were looking at him like the Messiah.
Entertainment, truth takes flight.